Hey guys, welcome back. So today is part 3 of my second annual Baking Spirits Bright group swap. And this is the Hostess gift that Valerie Cannon sent me. I did all her videos separate because she sent in 2 swaps. One was a pink Christmas and one was a vintage Christmas theme. And they were so elaborate. She made so many items. She went above and beyond. One video per swap was how it had to be because they were really long. And she also sent a Hostess gift separate, so I wanted to come on and share what she sent me. I just opened the box, but I don't know what's inside. So let's dig in. So on the top is this really cute gingerbread bag. I love this bag so much. I think I have a few from last year. I'll have to dig in my stash. Oh, she made the candy charms. I love these so much. I love making these. These are so cute. And look inside at her cabochons. They are so cute. Look at the trim on the top and bottom of the candy bag. That is so cute. And her heart dangles. Her keychains are the hearts. So pretty. Look at that. So cute. Thank you so much. I'm definitely hoarding these. I will not use them in any project. I'm keeping these. Thank you. Oh my gosh, this is darling. Look at this. This is a cute gingerbread tin can. And here she has some pretty ribbon. Some satin ribbon. Love this. Oh, I should put washi tape on here. It's a good idea to make sure it doesn't open. Look at how cute. That's a nice size box. Really nice. Wow, this is her trinket box. It's a schoolhouse, a red schoolhouse. That is so cute. And there are some trinkets in here. I think they worked their way in here, but I will work on getting them out. But I see a chocolate in there, a marshmallow candy, and a green bead. You see that? They'll come out. But look at all these fun trinkets. They look like the trinkets she put in her swaps. Look at this. So cute. Look at all the peppermints in here. Red and green. Snowman, silicone focal. Hand-painted beads in here. A bigger peppermint. Coffee mug. Look at all the goodies. Look at this drink. It's like a strawberry milkshake. Look at all those fun finds. I love this. Look at that cupcake. Oh my goodness. And the donut. Filled with so many goodies. Look at that. So cute. Thank you so much. I appreciate this. This is so pretty. All right, let me put this away. Wow, this box is filled with goodies. Let me put this aside. Look at this. This is a wooden gingerbread boy. I'm going to open it. Look at how cute. And there she used her puff paint to make the frosting. Look at that. Look at her. I love how she layers and clusters her embellishments. So pretty. I love this. Look at the gingerbread house. And she has peppermints as his buttons and polymer clay sprinkles on top of the peppermints. That's dimensional. So cute. Thank you so much. Here's her shaker. Look at this cute bag topper. She has the mesh netting here. It says cookies, and she's using a button, a holly berry button. And look at those cute little gingerbreads there. Isn't that darling? So cute. I love the face on these gingerbreads. So cute. And she stamped baking Christmas memories. And it's a shaker. Look at that pretty paper she used. So pretty. Here's another one in a pink Christmas theme. Look at this, guys. Look at all that trim. Isn't that pretty? I love pink Christmas. Look at how cute. Fresh baked gingerbread served here is what it says. So cute. And she fills her shaker embellishments. Look at how much shaker mix she has in here. So many goodies. Look at that cute face. I love these so much. Thank you. Oh, this is cute. Let me open it. Oh, look at that. She made this cute little book. This cute little mini album. And looky here. A pretty heart with diamonds. She put a cute little gingerbread in the center. And here's a little dangle. Some charms. And all this trim that she put on the rings. Look at how cute. Her embellishments are tiny. This, it must have took so much time. So pretty. Look at that. I love this. Once I get my craft room organized, I'm going to have to display a lot of things that people have sent me in swaps and Happy Mail. It's going to be so pretty. Look at this here, this pretty bag topper. I love the coffee or hot cocoa cup. She used a tree that looks like a gingerbread cookie. I love all the trim she used for the bow. And this is a pretty, pretty rosette. Look at that. With the leaves, she has the rolling pin, the cookies, the oven mitt, and it says, "What's cooking?" Very dimensional. I love this. So pretty. This is another rosette. Look at this bag topper. It says 25. Look at the cookies with the rolling pin and the measuring spoons. I love that. Oh, this is so cute. It's a rosette and it has an ephemera piece of a cake with the spatula and the gingerbread boy on the top. She did a little twine here on the spatula. What a nice added touch. She has the mesh in the back. So pretty. You think of every little detail. Wow, look at this. Look at these gingerbread cookies. They are so cute and they're soft. I love that. Look at the center. She has the poinsettia, this pretty flower. Let me open this. Look at this. This is a really big rosette. You see how big that is? Baking Spirits Bright. Look at the cute gingerbread she has there. A poinsettia and the bee. She layered the bee to make it dimensional. There's the coffee mug or the hot cocoa. It says fresh baked. She has tulle in the back. That is so pretty. Look at that layering. That's awesome. I love it. Here's a bag. Let's see what's in here. Oh, look at that cute embellishment. Season's greetings. She has some candy canes and she put tiny bows on the candy canes and a tiny gold ball, like a bead. And look at that gingerbread. That's so cute. And here's a gingerbread girl, cabochon. And look at this cute small cookie jar. Look at how tiny that is. It says cookies and she has some gingerbreads in there. And look at the holly berry that she put on top of the lid. Wow, that's so pretty. And here it says St. Nick's Cafe, Santa's Eggnog, 'tis the season. And it's a book. Look at that. With all the cute gingerbreads and the pastries. All the sweet treats. The cookies. The cake. The eggnog. That is so cute. Yes, so creative. Here's a book. It says assorted die cut tags with string. Oh, wow. So here's some string. It says string for your tags. You can see that. Aren't those pretty? Well, this is a bigger tag. Rectangle tags, long tags. All different size tags, all different shapes and sizes. That is so fun. Thank you so much. That'll be useful. And in this bag, more goodies, guys. Look at this pencil. This is the gingerbread pencil. I shared this in her swaps and she gifted me one. Thank you so much. I'm definitely going to use this. And here are some brads, boutique brads from Doodlebug Designs. I love using brads. Oh, and here are those really thick chipboard gingerbreads. So cute. They're so sturdy. I love these so much. And here is a die, and it looks like a mug with a hat. So I would think maybe a snowman. Maybe it's a snowman mug with the top hat. But this is so cute. I can already see the face. The face is so cute. Thank you so much. I love dies. I love die cutting. Even though I haven't done much die cutting lately. I do miss it. I cannot wait till I'm done with my craft room. Then I can get back to crafting. There's 2 more items. This is a tag. It's a wooden tag. And it says here, bake and be merry. And she put a star, a tiny star button in the hole of that letter A. And look at that cluster. You see how she layers? She has the little chocolates and the cookies. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. And look at this rolling pin with these little bitty bows there. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. And she used her puff paint around the edges. I have puff paint. I did buy puff paint 2 years ago. I think it's still good to make frosting and other things on my embellishments. I just have to use it. And look at this. This is so cute. It says joy. Look at that pretty poinsettia. I love this mini bag topper. And here's a cute mini tag and it says Merry Christmas. It is wood. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And look at the beads here. That's so cute. She loves making tiny embellishments. That's awesome. I can't do that. I mean, I guess I could. It would take me a while. I'm very clumsy, my fingers. So cute. Thank you. Wow, guys, last but not least, look at this. I'm going to have to open this. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, look at this. I can't even get this in frame. Let me go up a little. Look at this house. I know she made this. She is so talented. Look at the fence. She used the cabochon, the gingerbread cabochon. Look at the door. She used the knob. Look at the trees. Everything. Look at all the candy. And look at the side. Oh, and it opens. Look. Oh my goodness. Look at the windows. Look at the trees. So pretty. And look at this side. Look at the candy canes. She made it into a heart. Look at the bows there. Look at these pretty plants that she put in the front of the windows. the poinsettia, all the candy. There's a gingerbread. Let me just show you the detail on this. Look at all this snow. And look at this side. Look at all the dots, the polymer clay dots. That must have took so much time. And look at the top, all the gumdrops and the frosting on the chimney. Look at all the dots. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. I'm speechless. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Let me open this. I'm opening this here. Wow, look at this. This is an Advent box. Look at the scene at the top. Look at that. And look at this side with all the candy. Look at the peppermint jar there with all the peppermints inside. The gingerbread house, all the gingerbreads. Do you all see that? And this side with the snowman and the trees, the reindeer, the berries. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. I love this, and I love the drawers. They have the notch so you can pull them out like that, you see. Oh my goodness, this is, oh my gosh, I'm speechless. This is so pretty. Look at how cute the drawers are. Oh my goodness, look at that. This is gorgeous. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this. This is stunning. I don't even have words. I'm speechless. This is so pretty. This took so much time. This took so much time. Girl, when did you start this swap? Was it when I first posted it? Because all your creations, so much detail. This must have took forever. Wow, so pretty. But thank you so much. I really appreciate you thinking of me. This is all not necessary, but I do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. Thank you all for watching. I do have another reveal coming up, so stay tuned. Lots of wonderful, talented ladies in this swap. I can't wait to share everyone's creations. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye.